My name is Ryan Teasdale. I am 21 years old. I'm a business studies student at Northumbria University. I go to the Newcastle Business School and I have taken a placement at Vismo. So throughout my time at university, I knew beforehand that I definitely wanted to take a placement opportunity, because after university I know the competition is really hard to get a job, to get a graduate position. So I thought if I could do anything that's going to make me stand out, this would probably be the best opportunity. Especially throughout university, I was kind of pushed by all the lecturers and tutors to go and do that option, because like I said, I think we were told it's between 5 and 10% more chance of getting a job if you do a placement rather than just going straight on and doing your degree. So that was one reason, and we were also told that I think it's again another 5 to 10% people do that much better in their final year of university. So I thought if it's going to improve my results as well as give me a better opportunity after. One of the main reasons actually why I applied here is because it was in York, so my family are from York, all my family live there, so I thought if I could live at home I'd save money that way. Also the position at Vismo was like quite an interesting role. A lot of other placements that I applied for are like your kind of generic like HR roles or something like that. But here, because it's such a small team and it's like a growing company now with like doubled in size since I joined, it's actually quite an interesting industry as well, so it's something that I enjoyed, and I've had like real hands-on experience and responsibility here, which I don't think I'd get at a larger organisation, and that's why I'd recommend kind of people to push for maybe a smaller organisation where you are a key member of the team rather than just like an apprentice or just like an intern where you're not going to have like a real impact on business from day to day. So how do I do this, how do I do that? I think throughout the year you naturally develop them skills, and it does take time. Like now I don't think about it twice, and now I can go off and do my own thing. So that'll be like one of the main skills that I've learned. I suppose maybe a bit of face-to-face sales and an actual like selling of a product, rather than like I've worked in River Island and Asda. It's not really the same because people come in and know what they want, whereas we're actually here trying to sell a product that people need but they don't know a lot about. I thought I would pick like the etiquette up and like how to respond to customers in an appropriate way, and I have, and that's one of the main things that I think I'll take forward in the future, because growing in confidence I think is a big thing. I think that will help me again in my final year and in the interview process. I think with the experience of like the interview process, especially being involved in the recruitment of this year's placement student, I think being sat on the other side of the table and learning the skills that an interviewer is actually looking for, and like the tick boxes they need for you to answer and then for you to progress and get the job, I think that's going to be the main thing I take away in the interview process. And now I know what it's like to be on the other side, and if you come across as just confident and try and answer the questions as clearly as possible, do your research, you're going to put yourself in a good position to hopefully get a decent role after university. The fact of doing like a 9 till 5 job and to having like a serious role where you can't turn up late, whereas the year before at university maybe I could miss maybe like a 9 o'clock lecture, 10 o'clock lecture, something like that. Like everyone does, I think from now on I actually won't miss any lectures. I know it's some importance to do well, but I've now proved to myself that I can get up and actually like take something seriously and take it like as a full-time job. So I think in my final year I'll kind of take the same approach, where it will be like a full-time course for me, whereas maybe before I was enjoying it and I was doing my work and I did well, but I could do a lot better and I could push myself further. So I think that's definitely what I'll do in my final year. I'd highly recommend this. Like I said, the main reason I've actually enjoyed myself here, apart from the team and everyone who works in self hire, is definitely the fact that you get a real sense of responsibility. And what I do is impacting how the business does, especially because it's such a small business. I have such like a key involvement, especially I went to like the business travel show in London. That was something that I don't think you'd get an opportunity to do if you were like a placement student at a larger organisation. So I was actually involved in like face-to-face sales, dealing with potential customers and clients, and just, like I said, a real sense of responsibility. It's something I've really enjoyed.